Hey online entrepreneur, welcome back to the new video. My name is Vashu Bhatt and today I have something exciting for all of you. Are you looking to streamline your administrative tasks and team collaboration? So in this video we will check the admin staff feature app by Webkul. Trust me, you don't wanna miss this. But before proceeding to the top features of the application, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Now let's move to the top feature of the application. As an admin, you can add staff member from your panel and allow your staff to manage admin account. You can deny the access of any section of his account. Also, you can see all the activities of the staff. Now you can give access to the staff by subcategory wise. Now move to the installation and the configuration part of the application. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sale of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features, configuration and get to know functionality of the extension as well. Now let's move back to our video. So let's check how to install the admin staff feature app under the feature app section. Now search for the admin staff. As you can see, it is currently installed in my store, in my demo store. Pricing is about $10 per month, and to check the user guide you can check from here. After installing, you can create the staff under the seller. Then you need to go to the My Staff. As you can see, there is a staff already created, and to create a staff you need to click here, Add a Staff. Here you need to enter the first name, Don Peter. After entering the email, you need to create a password. Then confirm the password. The staff will be notified by the email containing the login details. Here are the permissions. You can select all by clicking here, or you can select as per the need. So let's select the orders, and you can also select the subcategories under the order section, just like an order listing and invoice configuration and invoice template. And we can provide the mail configuration as well. You can select these permission as per the needs of the requirement and click on Save Changes. Member created successfully. Let's check the staff list under the My Staff. Here, as you can see, the staff has been created. Now let's check the mail for the staff edit, so that you can edit the mail as well. So under the mail configuration section, you need to click here, 3 dots, and search for the admin staff mail, admin staff edit. Here is the mail, and this will send notification to the staff member when their account is created by the admin. Okay, and you can enable or disable the mail from here. You can change the mail subject, even the content as well, but do not change any variables in the mail content. And to edit this, you can click here, then you can edit as per your requirement. If you want to add another mail as a CC, you can enable this and add the mail ID here and click on the save. Mail CC cannot be blank. Okay, make it disable and click on save button. And here you can change the header background of the mail, footer background, and customize CSS is available here. And there are some mail template header and footer configuration. If you want to enable the mail header status, you can enable this, and this will enable or disable your mail footer template. Now let's check how the admin can check the admin staff activity. So under the seller and then admin staff activity, here you will see the admin staff activity list over the here. After successfully creating the admin staff, now let's move to the staff panel, that how they can log in and perform the activity. So this is the login page where the admin staff can log in with the email ID. Let's enter the email ID here. Now the password, and here you need to check the staff as an account type and click on the login button. So this is the staff panel, okay, and as you can see, we have provided the permission related to orders, order listing, invoice configuration, invoice template, and then the mail configuration. And if the staff want to edit the details like first name, last name, and the email, they can edit from the My Account section. The next one is the FAQs, and if they need help, you can click here, and from here they can easily log out. Now let's check the public URL for the admin staff login. So let's move to the admin panel again. So admin need to go to the configuration section, then instruction for marketplace, and here you can see the admin public URL. So need to copy this URL, and then admin can share with the staff manually as well. So this is the login panel for the staff. So guys, this video is all about the admin staff member feature app. If you still have any further query, you can write us mail on support@webkul.com. Also, you can create a ticket on webkul.uvdesk.com. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.